Hey people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix copy link option not showing on Instagram stories. For this, if I go for here story, go for three line or three dot option and I can't see that copy link option here. So this is the new feature of Instagram, of updated version of Instagram. I have to go for see where to share and link. I have to go for here and you can see there is a directly copying option here, directly send option here, and you can share also from here. Okay, and you can copy the link also from here. You can see, and there are various options here. So now you can uh, send this link to anyone. So that's it. This is how you can fix copy link not showing on Instagram stories. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.